Students and new grads frequently find themselves in need of quick and efficient ways to generate money online in today's fast-paced digital environment, when education fees are growing and living expenditures seem to be always rising. Whether you're a college student, a high school student, or a housewife, there are ways to earn money quickly online. For many people, achieving financial stability is a top priority. Whether it's paying off student loans, covering daily expenses, or saving for the future, the need for financial security is a common concern. Let's look at some ways you can earn money as a student. 1. Website development. Having a website is essential for almost every brand and company. Therefore, web development is a valuable skill that can be a lucrative source of income for students in India. With the increasing number of businesses launching websites to display their offerings, the need for proficient web developers will continue to grow. The best part is that it's not overly difficult. Learning all the necessary concepts to create responsive and engaging websites may take a few months of investment. If you don't have any experience in coding, you can begin by becoming acquainted with no-code tools that allow you to build websites. WordPress is an excellent platform for beginners, thanks to its user-friendly interface. Enroll in a web development course to gain the skills needed to modify themes, install plugins, and enhance website functionality. Once you have a grasp of the basics, you can explore further into the field and learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other coding languages. 2. Write and monetize blog posts. If you have a passion for writing, consider giving blogging a try. People create blogs for different purposes, such as sharing opinions and experiences, promoting products or services, or providing education on specific topics. Creating specialized websites can greatly improve your likelihood of achieving success. Consider narrowing your focus to a specific type of cuisine instead of creating a generic food blog. Take a look at the Bookset, a blog that offers book reviews and recommendations. Some other popular blog topics include travel, food, health, and lifestyle. While blogging has the potential to be profitable, it does require some time before your blog starts generating income. In order to expedite the process, it is important to maintain consistency, uphold a high level of quality, and utilize well-established content marketing techniques. 3. Video editing. It is undeniable that videos are an incredibly impactful and powerful marketing tool. If you're looking to reach a wide audience, video content is a great way to promote your product, service, music, news, or any other purpose. Video editing skills are in high demand due to the increasing popularity of video content. A video editor has the ability to transform a mundane video into one that is visually captivating, engaging, and polished. What's great is that you can create professional videos without the need for costly equipment or tools. All you need is a computer at home and some exceptional video editing skills. You have the flexibility to create videos for various platforms, such as social media, YouTube, websites, or any other platform based on your client's needs. 4. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, your main responsibility is to utilize your organizational skills to assist entrepreneurs with a wide range of tasks. These tasks involve handling emails, setting up appointments, managing social media, making phone calls, and arranging travel. This job offers great flexibility, making it perfect for students who need to juggle work with their academic commitments. You can provide your administrative services to businesses or entrepreneurs using platforms such as Virtual Assistant Jobs or Remote.co. 5. Search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is a well-known concept. Understanding digital marketing is essential and can lead to many profitable freelance opportunities. It involves boosting website traffic and enhancing search engine rankings using natural SEO techniques. As an SEO specialist, your role will involve improving website rankings through on-page and off-page SEO techniques. In addition, it will be necessary to enhance the website content in order to attract potential customers and encourage them to visit the site. Enroll in an SEO course that covers all the technical aspects of search engine optimization. You'll gain valuable knowledge about Google Analytics, search engine algorithms, and more, enabling you to effectively track your performance and achieve desired results. With the help of expert guidance, you can gain a clear understanding of user behavior, make well-informed decisions, and effectively measure the impact of your marketing efforts. Generating higher levels of engagement can lead to increased online earnings. 6. Design school stuff. There is a wide range of individuals who support your school, including students, parents, alumni, and staffers. You have the opportunity to generate income by creating merchandise that they will be interested in purchasing, such as t-shirts, bumper stickers, mugs, hats, and jewelry. Numerous websites offer the convenience of swiftly uploading designs and placing orders for products that can be sold online via your own website, at on-campus events, or through local groups and organizations. 7. Get paid for your opinion or participation. Professors must publish research papers to secure tenure, and this often requires conducting studies that require participants. Find out if there are any research studies on campus that offer compensation for student participation. Broaden your horizons by reaching out to nearby companies or organizations, such as businesses, associations, museums, and hospitals. Inquire about any ongoing studies or focus groups that may be conducting, and whether you meet the criteria for participation. 8. Content writing. Content writing is a great option for students looking to earn money online. There's no need to enroll in a specialized course in order to become a content writer. It assists in developing a strong grasp of grammar rules, cultivating the ability to write captivating and compelling content, and honing exceptional editing skills. For bloggers, understanding what resonates with readers and creating appreciated content can have a significant impact. Many companies are in need of freelance writers who can create content for various platforms, such as websites, product descriptions, social media, and blogs. Research is crucial for becoming an efficient content writer. It is important to ensure that your research is accurate and thorough, so that you have all the necessary facts and information. 9. Organize a trip. Find out if there are any campus groups that share a common interest and provide a service to handle all the necessary arrangements for a trip to their desired destination for a fee. There are several tasks that need to be done, such as booking airfare, arranging ground transportation, reserving lodging and spots at local destinations, and more. However, this can be an enjoyable opportunity to earn money and support an on-campus group. Additionally, it may be possible to negotiate the terms of your agreement so that you can join the trip without any cost. Ensure that you have trip insurance in place to provide financial and legal protection in case the trip doesn't go as expected. 10. Graphic designing. Graphic design is a career that is accessible to anyone who has a passion for design, color schemes, and art. This job involves working with computers and offers many well-paying opportunities, whether you choose to work full-time or as a freelance designer. It enables you to easily create unique designs that effectively communicate the brand's message and vision to users. Remote or part-time job opportunities are available with web design firms, interior design companies, or internet marketing companies. This is definitely an excellent method for beginners to make money online. Based on the current demand for graphic designers, it is evident that there will be an increase in job opportunities for professionals in this field in the future. While the job market can be fiercely competitive, securing a job can lead to a steady income and open doors to greater opportunities as you gain more experience and expertise. 11. Vlog on YouTube. If you have a knack for creating videos, you can also pursue a career as a YouTube video blogger. The amount of money you earn is directly tied to the number of people who watch your videos. The more viewers you have, the higher your pay will be. For every 1,000 views of each video, you have the opportunity to earn up to $760. According to Melissa Dryden, a career consultant at WriteMix and a Brit student, more and more college students are embracing vlogging as a way to share their passions and daily experiences. This trend has been fueled by the rise of video sharing platforms like Snapchat and Instagram Stories. You can easily share this content on a platform like YouTube, where you can earn money through advertisements. 12. Project management. If you have strong communication and organizational skills, project management could be a great fit for you. You don't need any technical skills, but you will be responsible for overseeing different aspects of a project focused on developing products and services. In addition, you will be responsible for overseeing the entire team and each member's work. You will be responsible for overseeing a project from beginning to end. To gain a deeper understanding of all aspects of operations, one can begin by working as an individual contributor and familiarizing oneself with each department. Project managers have a wide range of job opportunities in various industries, such as technical, healthcare, financial, and more. That's all we have for you in this video. What do you think? Which option do you think is best for you as a student? We would love to hear from you, so drop your comment in the section below. Drop a like and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, folks.